All right, guys, hey, we're back. Quick unboxing. Oh yeah, Under Armour with a rope box. So these were on the exchange website on AAFES.com, theexchange.com. On sale, man, for $42. Pretty dope, man. So yeah, I'm actually in a different location. I'm actually in my bathroom because my spare bathroom because, as you can hear, they're out there. So yeah, this is the only space that I have right now. But yeah, nice little impact zone. Has a little cushion right there. Nothing special about the insert. Just Under Armour on there. But the shoe itself is pretty dope. Can't beat that at all. And this is my second pair of Under Armour shoes. I enjoyed the first time. The first one I had were high tops. These are low tops, but yeah, you can't beat it, man. Really nice quality shoes. Definitely worth it, man. So yep, that's it. We're out of here. Take it easy, guys. Hit that like button, comment button, subscribe.